behind my Leon. Though in real life situations, Leon may put me in front of him and put his arms around my belly to be like, she's my scapegoat, man. I'm using her for defense. She was a soccer player. As a defender. She played many years as a defender. She defends me. So for this dining with Leon, this is my lion plush. I named Leon Leonhardi. Except for Hardy is actually German, so Leonhardi. So in Leonhardi. It's a ancient Roman in before the first half. The Leon part, that's not actually Leon, but for people who don't know how to pronounce it, it's Leon. And then Hardy is German. And so we're going to have approximately 1 cup of Tropicana orange juice with calcium type no pulp. So this is a calcium and vitamin D fortified orange juice to make sure I get my calcium. And I guess vitamin D as well. But on the Tanis side, I do check calcium, but I tend to do a cup of orange juice to get my vitamin C for the day. So it's pretty easy to track that way. We're going to do what's left. I'm almost done here with this bottle. And so there we go. Tropicana is, let's see what the bottle says. Bradenton, Florida. Oh, but this is actually orange juice from the United States of America and Brazil. So there we go. It's not actually, well, it's Bruno Freitas orange juice, you know? There we go. Leon's like, what? When do I get to give you a tattoo? I want to be your tattoo artist, Tanis. Okay, so I'm going to pour it. And I have my little, in honor of, well, I thought this was Florida orange juice, but I guess it's actually Brazilian orange juice. Or at least partially Brazilian orange juice. Okay, so in honor of, well, Florida is a panhandle state, so it's got like a peninsula and then the panhandle. And you know, I've eaten this on this channel. I've consumed this on this channel like this before. It's a beverage, so consumption. Okay, Leon. So we brought up Taco Bell, and so this is 1 cup. And the Tanis doesn't. No, I should do the Leonhardi dozen. Okay, I'll show you how much orange juice there is. Wait, I'm gonna pour it. I do the Leon and Tanis dozen at Taco Bell with tacos, but he has actually requested something. The Leon, my Leon, Leon Jr. and Leon Sr. Whoa! So we got a little bit under, but not much. So he has requested that for the Leon and Tanis dozen, he wants me to, my Leon, Leon Jr. and Leon Sr. This is the Leon Jr., I suppose. All right, that's the younger one. When was the plush made? When was the Leon Sr. made? So he's requested me, my Leon, to find a recipe for apple fritter donut holes, which is a contradiction because apple fritters don't have holes. So apple fritter donut holes, in my status on the search for a recipe, I found a recipe. I searched via DuckDuckGo, Firefox. And so my Leon wants me to make said apple fritter donut holes and eat 12. The Leon and Tanis dozen, because when we're together, he is always before me. Even if just metaphorically. This Brazilian orange juice is delicious. Brazilian. I genuinely did not know that. I was thinking I was drinking Floridian orange juice. But it doesn't actually even say Florida. It just says US and Brazil. Look at this. Mind blown. It's not Florida orange juice. Thank you, Brazil. I don't know how to say thank you in Portuguese. I don't remember. Spanish, gracias. That's good. 44 out of 10 today. All right. Thank you for joining us. Tropicana orange juice with Léon. And who knows, if I ever make the donut holes, maybe I'll do a sweetmeats. It was my Léon's idea. And I did find a recipe via DuckDuckGo on Firefox. As I've not made it yet, we shall see if it's the recipe I use or not. Anyway, happy day and time of viewing to you whenever you're viewing this, and happy place of viewing wherever you're viewing this from. Léon and Tanis say, we love you.